Welcome to Zoombox Entertainment, and we are doing the unboxing of Harry Potter Lego Forbidden Forest and Umbridge's Encounter. So here we have a few of the people. We have the horse guys with bow and arrow. We have big guy with big belly button. We have, let's see, Harry Potter. We have girl. Hermione Granger. It's on the box. I should just read the box. And Dolores Umbridge. And then we have, let's see, this nice tree. Let's see what's in this tree. Oh my gosh! It's the Joker's head?
I've been looking for that head. Oh, thanks, guys, for my head.